Okay, so let's try to recreate a clip art. And not just a clip art, but also a character. At first, once again, we describe, then we run all the prompts. This process at the beginning, it's always similar. There is nothing to change. Also, a good piece of advice is that if you find that the image is similar in style, but it's missing some details, or vice versa, you might tweak a prompt manually. That's totally okay. These, I wouldn't say that they are similar. This one is not bad, actually. These, not so much. These, no. Let's take a look at these girls. I would say that these are the best match, but this is the case where I'd change this heart-shaped sunglasses because it's not so okay. Cartoon drawing of an adorable little girl wearing pink leopard print bandana. Yes, that's right. And her head with big eyes and long lashes. Okay, long lashes. I don't see the lashes on the original image. With big eyes, I'd keep it. Big gray eyes. Heart shape, no. No. Oversized. Something like that. A cute, a messy, single hair bun. Fashionista clip art, sublimation isolating on the background. Yes. Clean edges design in the style of watercolor illustration. Is it watercolor? Vector art? Yes. I wouldn't say that it's so much watercolor. Colorful cartoon. Okay, let's try this one. First we try this one, and then we also attach the original image as a reference. We'll try it as a character reference, but first let's see what we get. Maybe we're totally far from what we want. That's not bad. That's not bad. Now it's time to take our prompt and to take our original image, to add it to the prompt. First we'll try it just like this. It's an image prompt. Okay, and one more time we'll try it as a character reference. I think that as it's a character, it's good to try it as a character reference. Let's see what we get. I think that these are very much alike. Of course, it's not 100% style, but when you're recreating, your target is not to make a copy, but to make something similar in the same color palette, in the same style, and of course with a similar character. I would say that this girl is very nice. Not worse than the original. Okay, I guess that clip arts are done.